Nitori, and then there's one more division and sleep. So let's go in. So basically it's just a bedding area. You can see the house there. Wow. Bed frame 4,000. Mattress 1,500. Free delivery. Okay. This is mirror 1,700. Mattress 2,000. I think this is the cheapest mattress, 1,600. Let's see. Let's try. I found out that this is the cheapest mattress, 1,600. The rest is like 2,000. This is free, but okay. Oh, it's so 1,600. Usually we can get the one that with another level of comfortness. If you like IKEA, maybe the price like about IKEA also. $1,200 for that. Okay. Oh. This is nice. 1,200. 1,600 high chest. Okay. Let's go. Let's experience this. Wait, one. For the single mattress, 800. Oh, it's nice. Squishy, it's nice. I think it's worth a buy. Okay. 2,400. Yeah. Okay, then okay, one more. This is what this. Oh, candle. Candle 79 T. Oh, it's not candle. This candle. Okay. Diffuser, 40 ringgit. Not bad. Large division in the box, 179. The pillow cover. Light airy down comforter. Oh, it's like plastic. 500 Singapore. one. That's one quick dry mattress pad, 99. Contract pillow pad. Super pillow. 199. Comforter 249. Okay. Double coat urethane foam. 199. Urethane foam. Urethane foam. Double coat urethane foam. Double coat. What's the difference? Oh, more cooler. I see. Oh, it's cool. Like ice. My God. 200. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. I like this. Future. Oh, not all the pillow. Not something. What's this? Better than this. Your thin sheets and can okay. Out of standard pillow case. What's that? How much?
99.
Huh?
99.
Oh my god, sedapnya. Oh my god. Oh, ni lembut sikit. Dia serut. Large semi-long. 99. 4060. How to know?
Okay.
Then the large semi-long. You okay?
Yeah.
This is how much? Which one?
Why do you want to see?
Oh, it's different place?
Different. Yes, you don't have yet. Yang tu.
Yang tu ini, bukan?
Bukan. Okay.
This one.
This one.
Correct. 99 ringgit.
Yes.
I see. Okay. Thank you. So my suggestion, if you come here, it's only 99 ringgit. 46 cm, and you got a very nice pillow. Machine washable. Okay. Other style pillow. Okay. 149 is a long, semi-long. This one, but it's not. It's like one level. That one is like two level double. It's nice. It's 249. Okay. Okay. Okay deh. 99 tu impress. Dia yang tuan tak impress. 299 support the body. Oh, this is for elderly. Shoulder neck. Okay. Premium fit. Okay. Alright. Okay. So we're done. So the second side of which is only the bedding, we done. So this is the walk, and number one product is that pillow, 99 ringgit, and then the single mattress 799. It's very nice. So that's my recommendation. Thank you. Bye.